Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start with quick, focused checks. Verify the adapter wattage and model so you know compatibility, and visually inspect the cable and connector for frays or bent pins because physical damage stops charging. Then test the wall outlet and try the charger on another Mac or phone to separate charger faults from Mac faults. Once done, make sure connectors are free of lint. Gently clean ports with a soft brush or compressed air, because conductivity matters for charging to begin reliably. Now you reset system controllers to clear power management glitches. Perform an SMC or NVRAM reset according to your Mac model, because that can restore charging behavior without hardware repair. Next, swap cables or adapters to isolate a bad component. Adapters fail more often than logic boards. Also check Mac OS battery settings and install updates. Software can block charging if firmware is outdated. Once complete, monitor charging status and system messages. Note any error codes that appear, they guide the next steps. Finish by replacing the suspect component. If swapping cables solved it, buy a reputable replacement. If the adapter failed, choose a genuine Apple or certified alternative, because voltage and negotiation protocols matter. Make sure connectors click or fit snugly, and test charging under load by running an app while plugged in. If none of this works, back up your data and contact Apple service or an authorized technician. There may be internal power delivery damage. One troubleshooting tip. Note LED behavior on.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.